Back home, there's more politics coming in with Congress Neta now equating Rahul Gandhi to Lord Ram. Nana Patole has said that Rahul Gandhi is doing work like Lord Sri Ram, and that comparison has drawn massive ire from the BJP, which says that this is once again Chunavi Hindus who are back in talking about Lord Sri Ram simply because there are a bunch of elections lined up. Let's play out some sound bites. We'll get in our colleague for more on this as well. Sujata, even as this is likely to be the big political story of the day, with Congress Neta Nana Patole equating Rahul Gandhi to Lord Sri Ram. Listen in.
देखो, भगवान से राम का काम हमारे नेता राहुल जी कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि भगवान श्री राम का काम ही था शोषित, वंचित, पीड़ित लोगों को न्याय दिलाने का। और पूरे देश में घूमकर हमारे नेता वही काम जो भगवान श्री राम का था वही कर रहे हैं। मंदिर में जाके फोटो सेशन करने से ज्यादा शोषित पीड़ितों की सेवा करना, ये राहुल जी को ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, जो भगवान श्री राम का काम था। जब वो अयोध्या दौरे जाएंगे, वहां दर्शन करेंगे रामलला का, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि राजू जी ने खुद रामलला का जो बंद किया हुआ ताला था वो खुलने का काम सिर्फ राजू जी ने किया था।
Congress party says that Rahul Gandhi is like Prabhu Shri Ram. Just recently they said Sonia Gandhi was the reason why Christmas can be celebrated. What kind of sycophancy? And then you're insulting Hindu Astha? This is the same Congress party which says Ram is Kalpanik. This is the same Congress party which says Ram Mandir should not be built. This is the same Congress party which says Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha is Naach Gana. This is the same Rahul Gandhi who says Mandir jaane wale ladki chedte hain. They say Hindu terror. Just now TMC has said Ramji was Muslim. They keep attacking Hindu Astha. Hindu Astha ka apman has become Congress's pehchan. And now they say this. So it shows that Hindu Astha par karo chot, vote bank ka milega vote. And this has become their entire philosophy.
Sujata Dwivedi joins me live on the broadcast. Sujata, in about 14 days from now is when the BMC elections will take place. Ahead of that, you have Nana Patole saying this. But the fact is that the charge that's coming from the BJP is that Congress netas are nothing but Chunavi Hindus.
Well, absolutely. And talking about Maharashtra's political discourse at this point remains sharply divided, where there are these slogans in the name of religion as well as in the name of their background that has been given by several of these Gathbandhans, both by the Mahayuti as well as by the Mahavikas Aghadi, which no wronggle remains, but of course the Thackeray brothers. And now it is the Congress that has stepped in, where a senior Congress leader, Nana Patole, has come up with a statement where he's drawing a sharp comparison between Lord Ram as well as Rahul Gandhi. Now we know that Nana Patole, he came up with a strong defense in a way where...
Sujata, stay with us. Let's get a quick reaction from Kirit Somaiya of the BJP on this. Mr. Somaiya, your reaction to Nana Patole's comment where he says Rahul Gandhi is doing exactly the work like Prabhu Sri Ram?
राम की लीला अपरंपार है. Now the Congress people also have started believing in Ram. What the Congress people are doing in Ayodhya, are they taking side of Ravan or Ram, is a different issue. But actually, the Ram, the Ishwar, is been recognized by the Congress, and I hope that Congress Ram Rahul Gandhi will visit the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya and will say, I welcome the Ramji scheme.